Welcome to the product me Doogee S98, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application, and after that scroll to the sound section. Here you'll see the phone, ringtone, notification and alarm sections. We can change them just by click here on this section and select one from the available sounds. Also, we have here the volume panels, the media, call, ringtone and notification and alarm volume panel. We can change them just by swipe to the left or to the right side these panels with our finger. We can also set here the vibration for calls, always to vibrate, never, or just vibrate the first, then ring gradually. We can also activate the vibration when call is connected. And here we can switch default volume button control from media and ringtone volume. So now, for example, when we'll use the volume buttons, we will change the ringtone volume. We can switch it also here to the media. And in advanced settings, we have the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off. Also, we can hear pin media player feature, so we can turn it on. To turn off, just we should click on the switcher ones. Also, we can see here the show media recommendations feature. And also in advanced other settings, we can activate the dial button, the screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds and touch vibration. So we can turn on or turn off all of these options by click on the switchers. And also we can switch an emergency dialing signal from tones to vibrations or to silence. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Doogee device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.